tunnel.
What's on this side?
Well, maybe, I think it'll come around that side if we just wait a minute. I think you'll find it's going to turn around at the end there and come up this side.
On this side.
Okay, well you look on that side.
Maybe it's going to on the second level.
Yeah, I think it is. It's up at the top. Okay, can you get through? Can you get through? Okay, here it comes. It's on the top level. See? See it coming towards you? And it's ever so long. Look, the other end is still in the tunnel. Here, look. Yeah, look here. See, it's coming out of here. And then it's
Four
coming down this
engines
track.
on it.
Yeah.
That is a long train.
Can get to end.
Yeah. Look, Bobby, it's still here. And it's here.
Hey, it was a train. See?
Yeah, it's got lots of locomotives, isn't it? And after this one, we've got a very long train, but after this one, you want to go that way? But it's going to go
I
into
don't
the
see
tunnel.
any Appalachian coal
It's
cars.
going to go into the tunnel over there and you'll lose it.
That was a big train.
Oh, nice.